Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: how do you know if your earbuds are charging? And firstly, if you put your earbuds to the charging case, you can know that your earbuds are charging by this LED light. If you do not close the case, you will see this red LED light, meaning that your earbuds are charging. Now, if you want to know for your charging case, you just put this cable to your charging case, and if this LED light on the front side blinking white, it means that your charging case are charging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.